Okay, so market opened at 8:30, so 3 minutes ago. I don't know what type of introduction that is, but it is Friday, so last day to trade this week. I might do the same thing as yesterday where I traded for like longer. Just um, I did see. I'm tired. Um, I did see that my highest like balance was at like 9:30, and then I traded to like I don't even know what it was, like 10 I think, or 10:30, or like something, or I think it was maybe even till 11, but like 9:30 I guess was my peak, and then I just like lost a little bit. Like I think I like ended up like $200 under my highest balance that I had for yesterday. So maybe I'll just do till 9:30 if that's like the same thing, but I don't know, I don't have it planned too much. See how it goes. Just gonna wait for price to show us our entry, like ideal entry. I mean, in this moment anything could really happen. I mean, it looks like we're still just gonna go lower, right? But we could still very well just reverse from here. Also, I think I figured out what I would want to risk for the eval. I think yesterday I was something like two minis, but that would just kind of be too much, especially with like eight bracket sizes. So that would be like risking like $320 a trade, which I think would just be way too much. And like, yeah, I can make some profits, but I think that's just too risky, and that's kind of like a gambling type of mindset. So I think the eval I'd also do like one mini, um, and maybe like it would be two minis on the smaller, like if I was ever trading on like the four or something, so it'd balance out. But yeah, even on the eval and then the XFA, I think I'll keep the same risk. I think before I used to trade like eval doing way more, but it's not really worth it. Like even if it does take me like longer to get the eval passed, it's fine. I mean, if we're able to like somehow make 1,500 today or something, because we made like decent amount yesterday, like that means we'd be able to pass the account already like real soon, like in the same week. I'm not like planning on maybe making that much today, but because we only traded yesterday and today as of this week. I mean, this account. Now here, I'm not gonna enter short, even though we could be consolidating here. What I'm gonna wait for is like us to get lower, and then I'll take like a long. And then if we just like keep pushing up higher, maybe I'll still long just because it's like directional or something. This right here wouldn't be an ideal like long. I'll just wait. Mm, I think it could be directional. Let me just like long here down to, yeah, maybe something like that. Okay, nice. We caught the directional trade. Let me turn up my volume a little bit. Like, some of that. But I think I'm really getting this strategy down. Like, I still feel really confident to maybe hop on the eval. Like, first week, yeah, like, because the thing is, I don't think I had like a, like, let's not counting London session. Um, like, I don't think there was a losing. Oh man, I'm tired. But I don't think I had a losing week, like, or losing day on like in demo trade. Like I think there was one day where I did have break even, but I was still like up like $30 or something. So it's like break even, but it was still profitable on the day. But like every time I've traded on demo, besides the London session which I traded, which I normally wouldn't on a regular like account, like every New York Open and even the PM session when I traded like 12:30, they've all been profitable days. Just the evals were really bad that one week, but like yeah, first week like it was kind of hopping in really early and I was still just guessing. And now it's only been like 2 more weeks of demo, but I don't know. I do feel a bit more confident. I guess the eval will really prove next week if I think I will decide to hop on that on Monday. But I think being a little bit more patient, and especially with like the capital, like doing one mini is like not really any risk. Like I don't really think much of it. Like I think if I was doing like four minis, like I was like maybe a G trying to enter like right here and like trying to catch like all these trades right now as well. But I can just kind of be a little bit more patient and like really think about when I want to enter instead of just trading whenever. That's one big thing on Evo. I think I just like found myself like just really wanting to pass. So I'll just take any trade, even if it's like not too good. Like if I see something, I'm like, okay, here we could like I could short. But like when I said this, I was like, yeah, I could short, but I don't know if that's the best entry because it's a little risky. So I just waited out. This could be consolidation. So maybe I think next candle. Wow, I got cooked immediately. I wanted to enter long because the entry would be good, and I thought it would be like in this range. But yeah, that was a really quick loss. Oh, looks like now we're pulling up. Maybe I should have waited a little bit longer just for any pullbacks. Could end up shorting this at a something like, yeah, that ain't bad. Thing is, this take profit is like kind of in a new range, but okay, yeah. Because it was like down here. I guess it would be like good to keep in the same candle, like somewhere in there, but my entry was just a little bit late. Also, I think the ATR, yeah, was just like, I'd have to do smaller bracket sizes then. We do get some directional movements. I don't know. Um, this could very well be a short, but the thing is, it's like, no, maybe I should have more confirmation because we just got into consolidation. So like, yeah, I think we could still very well like we're still making moves up right now, staying in the same range a bit. think I'll take the injury. Yeah, I'll keep those brackets. Okay, nice. I needed a little bit more confirmation of this bearish candle, so that because this one we didn't really know, but after this one, I think it was more safe to say. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to mute up. I was talking to my parents. Thing is, they like come down kind of frequently, so like I'm not gonna tell them what I'm doing, cause I feel like this is harder to explain. But yeah, that's why I was like checking OBS. Probably won't edit that out. Too lazy, and also like no one views these videos, so if you see that, maybe that's like some Easter egg or something. But maybe a long right here, but I'm not sure. We've been consolidating in this range. I was looking for some type of entry down, like I remember around here, but how did I end up taking it? Like really want a long here. I don't know, but we're in bearish flow. Okay, I'm so glad it's pulling back. I don't know. Actually, this wasn't probably too good of a trade. Glad it played out though. They have any confirmation? I kind of just entered when we were still going bearish, and then maybe better just take a short instead of a long. Like wait till we came back here again and then short. But I can just do that right now, I guess, if we get the opportunity. See, we'll have that a bit more protected. This a bit more. Okay, I mean it doesn't really matter. Get stopped out right away. I kind of did took that short just because I like said it, but I did see we were pretty bullish. I gotta wait for more confirmation. Right now I'm trying to top tick and bottom tick. So let me just wait. Maybe entry right here. So that's super stretchy. I don't even know why. It's like barely a take profit. I'm really just doing these negative like risk to reward trades right now. I don't know why. I was doing that yesterday. It was kind of working out. Let me actually drag this a bit higher. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of like maybe I'm getting a bit more scared, so I'm actually like ruining my risk to reward a bit. But I kind of just like to set it like I think I shouldn't really mess with my take profit, but maybe my stop loss is fine. Because my stop loss is too far out, I'll bring it in, or if it's too close, I'll bring it out. I think that's what really matters. Take profit should generally stay the same. Would a short bet right here be the move? Guess we'll see. I'll just keep this because I actually do like it, where everything's at. I was wondering, maybe I could have dragged my take profit down here a bit more. Well, that's good. I didn't. I think it's reversing. Yeah, I guess I just should keep where it's at. And now it's playing out. See that could have been a dub. Little 1.5 risk to reward. Very directional. I'm gonna enter. That's just. We're officially at the like the $2,000 made, which is nice. Dang, we're really directional now. The thing is with a directional trade, I'll never. I mean, I guess this was consolidation trades too, but I'll never enter. Like, I won't enter right when the new candle forms, but I'll wait like a second. So when it was directional, like I wasn't gonna enter like here or something. Like let's say we kept like right now we're making moves up, but let's say like this candle closed right here, right, or like closed, and then I would wait for the next candle to start going more bearish. Like let's say I wanted to go bullish now, I'd wait. Yeah, now that this is closed, and then this candle's giving me bullish reactions, I would enter like right now hypothetically, instead of entering like when this is about like halfway or like right when this opens. Like I want to see what's happening with this candle when it opens. That's kind of how I do it. But like right now, I would not even enter because a new candle, and now would be a good entry time if you guys would get what I mean. That's at least how I like to do it. This could be a good long. I'll just do it. The reason why I want to enter long is because I see the flip reaction, but also I feel like I kind of enter off the entry a bit. I don't know. Like just seeing this would be a good entry. Like I would want that long. I don't know if that's a good strategy, but I just knew the stop loss would feel protected, and then the long would be within the range that I want to keep it within. I could short here. I mean, now it's a little bit late. See, now this entry would be pretty bad because I'd have to put the stop loss all the way up here, take profit. That would even be like it would have to like this range is already kind of complete now. Any take profit with you would be like $10, or if I did it like below this range, which is just risky. And we're making moves down. Maybe new candle. I'll take a see. Like that's why I wait just to kind of see how it looks. I don't know if I want to take a short on this actually now. I was gonna say I could take a short, but I don't know. I just want a better looking candle if I were to. Maybe the next one we'll have to see. All right, let me just do it, I guess. Very well staying. We could very well stay in this range, but all right, nice, nice. You know, I trade way better once it starts. Well, like I think I trade still like decently at that time, but like if I ever lose or like when I was taking those losses, like every time it's always like the first initial trades. I don't know if it's just because I gotta get warmed up or something, or maybe like 8:30 or like 8:40. Like those times are not too great. And then it was like really good till like 9:30, and then 9:30 afterwards for like the next. I don't even know how long I traded for. Let's say like 10:30 or something. Like this next 30 minutes to an hour, I was just like yeah, I was taking some winning trades, but I was like break evening. So it was like 50-50 on all my trades. But like right now, I mean, I think I took like what one loss or two losses. I think I've got like 5 wins. Moves down, huh? This could be a short, but I'm not sure. It's very well could be a long actually now. Let's go long. I just kind of flip it around depending really on the candles. But like kind of how price is printing a bit. Oh, that's a really short pullback. If we get some more, okay. I hate when it does that. It's like you see that like it's like right on the line. I always got like big FOMO when it's right there because I know. Okay, nice. Like I was like, I feel like you could just like do that and then yeah, fully reverse. Because when it's right on the line, like I'll be fine if it's like what a $5 difference in the profit. Like I would just like I'm always thinking like I'll just manually close or something, but there's no point. Especially because like if it pulls back and then I close, like what if it like pulls back to break even and then goes back up? Like should just wait till it actually hits it. We could do a lot of different things here. I was gonna say I could see us going higher, but maybe the same thing where we reverse. I'm just because I'm looking at this high that was kind of made. Let me enter long actually. I think now it's pretty obvious we're directional. Nice. I mean, okay. I think we. I don't want to jinx it. We might hit 3K today, and if we do, like that, like I said, yesterday, that was kind of like the confirmation I really wanted. But I mean, even if we don't, like, let's say I don't know for some reason I like end up losing, and like, as long as I'm profitable in the day, I think the only reason why I wouldn't open it, like, get an eval next week is one, my sleep schedule's messed up again, but I don't think I'll mess like even on the weekend I'll start waking up at like 8 just cause to get in the habit. But two, if somehow I think I don't know what we started at like 1,500. So if I end up losing like 1,200 and more or something like, and now for some reason I make negative on the day, which I think if I start losing money like that, I think I'll just hop off, or I think that even happened. But yeah, so I think it would be good to hit that 3K, and then that would really be like confirmation because 3K is just basically an eval. So hypothetically, if I opened an eval, that would have been just passed. So I just kind of have to do what I just did right now to an eval, and then on the XFA I would do the same thing. Probably build it up to like 3K or something. That's what I did with my first payout, which was like back last year too, which was the summertime. I think it was like June. I guess May and June is like the peak time maybe for trading. But yeah, I remember I got like 3K because the drawdown, the buffer will follow. So I feel like taking out any money if you could like within 2,000 is just not like that smart, because then after you take it, you're probably gonna blow it because the buffer gets even smaller. But like once you built up the initial buffer of 2K, then I kind of just wait for like 3K, then I'll take 1,000 out. I think that's what I would do. Unless I'm really greedy, like I might do it earlier. Like let's say like on a day right now, like 700. Maybe I'll take like 700 out if this is the balance that I made, or I might even do more. I might wait till like 4K and then take out 2K because 2K is the max. I was thinking about I'm still gonna get a Lucid Flex. They're definitely the best right now for the price. We could do a lot of. I mean, if we start going up here, I'd probably take a long on the next candle. We start going down, take a short on the next candle. I'm just saying it just to maybe say if you guys see why I take my next entry, but I might not follow that. See, like right now, okay, we're going down, so I'm not gonna follow that. But that's kind of like how I think a bit when I see the entries. So I mean, now I'm gonna long. Like that was a full reverse. Wow. Okay, there we go. But yeah, there is like it might not look like it if I don't say anything or kind of just enter. Wow, this is really volatile. Yeah, this must be what 9 a.m. I guess this is the news. I don't ever check Forex now or anything, which I probably should check like when the news is gonna come out. So I'm not like winning a, like if I'm winning the trade like right before and then it just like fully reverses and like with slippage and takes me out or all that. So, but I mean, if this was the news at like 9 a.m., at least it played out. Mm, this could be a good short entry, but maybe a little too late. It's kind of playing out a bit. Just want to let you know that this would be a decent one if that were to be taken. Yeah, like down here. Yeah, I'm definitely trading now just with better entries. Like I think before I'd enter way later, like maybe not know when to enter. I was really following candles. Like I think now I just have a little bit more of a grasp of how early I want to enter and like where it would be and all this stuff. Like I would never. I think before I would take this entry or something, and I would have my stop loss like still within the range, so it's not even a good stop loss, and the take profit would also be further. Like I was taking trades like that. Like now I'm dragging it a bit more. I think right now I gotta maybe work on my risk to reward and like my like where I want to move my take profit and stop loss like while I trade within and get better with that. But I think that'll just come naturally. Like I'll just definitely start getting the hang of it. I'm actually going to long. Okay, I mean, if I get stopped out, I actually do understand. Yeah, because we're still in this bearish flow, I guess, and I didn't get too much confirmation, but I kind of just saw this consolidation, so I really just kind of wanted it, but that was a little bit more of an eager trade. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. I need to enter. Now down here, we could very well maybe pull back up, do like kind of just like call it consolidation direction move or something. Or if we kind of break down and keep going lower, that could also be just following the trend and seeing how that goes. Big moves up. Yeah, but I guess I don't really mess with ATR like much at all. I mean, I just kind of stick with 8. I feel like I found 8 to be the best. Then I'm just gonna drag it. Like, I'll adjust it midway if the candles are like smaller or shorter, or if they are like bigger as well. So I think eight's fine. Like anything shorter would probably be for, like slower. Like if I was trading PM or um London session or others, but I'm not really gonna be doing that ever because I didn't have. I mean, I had good luck on PM, but London session not too much. I might as well. Oh wow, I got stopped out quick. I wanted to follow the direction. I mean, I think we just broke out here, and then I saw big moves up, so it was a really quick play. But like the thing is, I guess that was just kind of risky too. Maybe I should stay off of these like really volatile moves. I think because that is just risky to enter. Like obviously if there's some volatility, that's good. But like when it's like pulling like that or like really, that could be really wicky. Cause like look now we're kind of pulling like up, but this is like a shorter move. Like these are smoother volatile moves. Mm, I would have entered there actually. It's like really volatile though. So now I'm scared of this like volatility. I guess that's how you say it. I'll wait for next candle maybe. We'll see. I'll enter. I wonder, do I drag? Okay, it does not matter. Wow. Thing is, that wasn't even me dragging. I still stayed at the same spot. Okay, guys. I mean, I think I really jinxed it because I was saying like, unless I like go back down, and now we took like what 3 losing trades right here. But three's not bad. I mean, I've had worse. Maybe this is why like I mean, yesterday was pretty good when I traded past like 9:30, but this could be the reason why like staying within that range is good. Like just 17 minutes, because then there's risk of like over trading or whatnot. But I don't think any of the entries were too bad though. Like I definitely liked all of them. Like I don't think I took like too bad of a like this one. I mean, I guess, but I saw the consolidation. I This one was all right. This one I thought was gonna work out, but it was just really volatile. And then this one as well, which is almost up there, but maybe that's why direction was just a little risky. I think we're just staying within the same range. Like right now, I'm trying to catch these bigger moves. Like yeah, we're really volatile, but like if you really look at the volatility, that's how you say it. I don't know what I'm saying. Really weird. Like we're still like just in this range. Like look at that. Like we went nowhere. Like this wick just basically did nothing because when the candle closed, this is still just a very small movement. Yeah, consolidating a bit. So we want targeting new ranges. Maybe I'll like try to take a short here. I mean that could definitely change, but guess let me enter. Dang, I'm getting stopped out quick on these, no? Ooh. Okay, I think I'm really giving all my money back. Actually, okay, let me take a step back. Now this trade, not bad, right? These two trades, all right. I don't think I should even be trading this right now. Like, look at this. I actually don't even know why I entered there. If you just look at this price action, like this is not tradable. Um, I mean, might as well hop off. Then I it makes sense too. Now think about it, because it is Friday. Like expecting the markets to move like how they were on Thursday, like past kind of like that, past 30 minutes, like is unreasonable a bit. You know what I'm saying? Like I think I could maybe trade like longer if I wanted to, like 9 till 9:30, like on days that are like on a Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, middle of the week a little bit more. Like Mondays and Fridays, especially Fridays, like it's definitely gonna be maybe something like this. So I mean, I made my profit. I gave most of it back. What was I up? I mean, I'm still up 700 on the day, but I was up like all of it, like what, 1,300 or something, or 1,200. So yeah, these last four trades were definitely caught me off guard. But even though we're close to 3K, I think thing is I would still definitely want to get an eval, just because I think one that's gonna build like maybe a little bit more better mentality. Like, it'll be a different eval is still different than demo. Like demo, this might be easy to execute, but eval might be harder. Top of that too, that's just gonna give me like better, like faster to my progress. I feel like if I'm actually working on the real thing, like not like the demo is not building like up the skills as well, but like when you're on an eval, you're actually like making the process to like get the payouts and make day trading more of a realistic goal. But yeah, I still plan on doing that just because I still like, even though I did get money back, like I'm still profitable on the day. Like if this was an intraday account, this would be bad, right? Like, cause intraday is like, all the like that would build up the buffer. But if anything, the buffer would still be above the 2K, and then we're above 2K already. So it's still not a bad trade, and it's still profitable. It's just kind of like trading a little bit over this. So maybe on evals, I guess I'll see like I might I think the game plan is also like I guess we'll like just maybe stay on the charts past 850, past 9, but like be less eager to trade and like really look out for like very choppy price action movements. Like right now it's kind of printing out decently, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't think I'm gonna enter just because it's bad luck. But um yeah, and if I don't maybe take that many trades like before 9, like then I probably would trade like later. But if I'm already kind of up or something, maybe I'll like be more hesitant to trade before 9, or I mean after 9. So yeah, I think that could be a good game plan. But I mean, yeah, good winning days. Um, yes, I'll see you guys next week. I'll open up a eval. We'll see how the funded process goes. Unless I change my mind, but I don't think I would. So, all right, see you guys next time.